Hey sweet friends, welcome to this After Dark Clean with me. I'm going to be taking you along with me as I do my nighttime cleaning routine. But this video is also really special because we're kicking off our December month of giving. So here on my channel, if you're new here, this was a very good video to click on because we are launching a December giveaway where all of the videos on my channel will be moving towards a large giveaway with 3 different prizes, and the grand prize will be a cordless vacuum. So stay tuned and I will give all the details of the giveaway at the end of this video while I'm decorating my Christmas tree. I thought that would be the perfect time to go over everything, and of course I'll have everything in my description box as well. But here tonight, I am just loading up my dishes right here in the dishwasher so that they can be running while I'm cleaning other areas in the house. And I wish I could say that I did this every single night without exception because I know my house would be so much cleaner, but I don't. I try to do this little nighttime routine most nights, but sometimes I do get really tired and I like to just go to bed and watch TV and deal with it in the morning. But I always regret that because there's nothing like waking up to a nice clean house in the morning. That is one of my favorite feelings, just to step out of my room in the morning, make a cup of coffee, and look around at a clean house. So this routine is definitely something that I want to make sure that I'm doing more and more in the new year. It's definitely one of my goals.
Now a whole year has gone by. I thought what we needed was time.
And while I'm putting away these dishes, I just want to introduce myself. For those of you who are new today, my name is Jenny and I'm a mom of 3 from Louisiana, and I love to do cleaning motivation videos here on YouTube. I also like to do organizing and decluttering, some home projects, as well as some home decorating. And my tagline here on YouTube is clean your way to calm, because I love to use cleaning as anxiety management. So I don't know if any of you guys feel the same way, but sometimes cleaning your house is just such a good adrenaline dump, and it just calms my nerves and clears my head. So if that sounds kind of like the content that you might enjoy, or if you like what you see so far, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave today, because I would absolutely love it if you would join my YouTube family. And today I'm just using my Method granite cleaner and a microfiber towel to clean off my counters. This is what I like to use just for a quick cleaning, and it just kind of leaves a really nice shine. And I'm not doing any deep cleaning today. This is just a quick nighttime routine so that the house is tidy and clean before I go to bed. So after I get my counters all wiped down, I'm gonna go ahead and sweep real quick. And it's funny because I just got myself my first cordless vacuum that I've been wanting for so long. So if you've been on my channel, you know that I've been shopping around for a cordless vacuum. And here I am using the broom. So somebody forgot that she had a cordless vacuum for this little shot. But you'll see me bring it out in just a little bit. And moving on here into the family room, I'm just going to fluff up the pillows really quick and put away the throw blankets. And I'm going to move this coffee table and give this area rug a good vacuum. And I'll pull out my new cordless vacuum and show you guys. And I'll also give you a little bit of story behind it. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I've been in the market for a cordless vacuum, but I have been very loath to pay like $500-600 for a vacuum because that's just painful to me. It's definitely not in my budget. But I came across a video by Brittany VASSEUR'S, which I will link in my description box because it's a very informative and helpful video. She tested out 3 different cordless vacuums, and the high-priced model was the Dyson Animal at almost $600. $50. The mid-priced vacuum cleaner was this Mooso that you see me using right here at $150. And then she tested out a low-priced model, which is called the GMO, and that was $87. And here you can see how much the Mooso is picking up off the area rug. It's got really great suction, and I'm really happy with it. So her conclusion after testing all three was that the Mooso was the winner. And so she ended up purchasing that for herself, even though she could have afforded the Dyson Animal. She just wanted to buy whichever one she was most impressed with. And so that actually impressed me. And I decided to reach out to Mooso, and they were kind enough to send me a vacuum free of charge. So thank you, Mooso, for that. But this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. There were no strings attached. They just gave me the vacuum. So I didn't have to say or do anything else. So I'm just giving you my honest opinion. I completely agree with Brittany Vasseur. I think this is an excellent vacuum. So once I fell in love with the vacuum, I decided to push my luck and ask Aaron over at Mooso if he would go ahead and send me another one to give to you guys. And he actually said yes. So I am so grateful. Thank you so much to Mooso for sending 2 vacuums. And I'm so excited that I have one to keep and one to share. And I'm gonna light my candles because this is an after dark clean with me, and that is just gonna make the house smell so good in the morning, letting these candles burn while I finish up tidying and cleaning up. And moving on here into the dining room, as you can see, I've already got the tree put up and it's already pre-lit. So I just need to add some ornaments to it. And I'm just tidying up in here real quick, and I'm gonna straighten my little dining table, clean off this high chair, and then I'll get to decorating. And my theme for the tree this year, because of the 2-year-old, is non-breakable ornaments. That's like the whole theme of the tree. It's just basically nothing that will hurt him or get broken in the process. And so I picked some really nice kid-friendly ornaments for the tree that still kind of go along with my decor and don't really scream kid-themed, but they're still kid-friendly. So I have cardboard bears and deer, and I have little metal globes, and then I have some little plastic snowflakes, and that's what I'm going to use to decorate the tree this year. Okay, now that I'm decorating the tree, I'm gonna go over the rules of the giveaway. I'm gonna try to keep this as simple as possible, but if I confuse anyone, please just ask me in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. I'm also gonna have all of this in my description box for you to refer to in case I make it confusing, because I talk a lot and there's a good chance that I'm going to make this sound way more confusing than it actually is. So, the rules of the giveaway are: be subscribed to my channel, because this is a subscriber giveaway, you guys. I want to thank you so much for your support of my channel, and I want to make sure that it goes to a subscriber. The second thing you're going to do is comment down below that you want to be in the December giveaway. Okay, that's all you have to do for this video. But I would like you to keep doing that for all of my December videos. So I'm gonna have 4 total in December, 1 each week. And so just keep coming back and saying you still wanna be a part of the December giveaway. I am going to pull comments from all 4 videos when I do the giveaway, and there's gonna be 3 prizes. So if you have a comment on all of my videos, that's more entries that you will have and a higher chance to win the vacuum or one of the other 2 prizes. So make sure you're commenting on all of the December videos, because I'm actually gonna be pulling from all of those videos, not just this one. I hope that makes sense. It probably doesn't, but like I said, if you have any questions, please just comment down below your questions, and then also comment down below if you want to enter the giveaway. And as long as you're subscribed and you leave a comment below, I will definitely include you in the giveaway. And as for the prizes, I have 3 prizes in mind. Of course, the grand prize will be the Mooso vacuum. It's a $150 vacuum. It's cordless. You can do 30 minutes on medium power, or you can do 20 minutes on high power, and it works really well. It's got a really nice swivel head on it. It's very lightweight, and it works beautifully. I absolutely love it. So that is the grand prize. I'm also going to do a second runner-up with a Sweetwater decor candle. This is a hand-poured soy candle, and it smells amazing, and I use these in my home and I absolutely love them. And then another prize for the runner-up will be a throw. So this is a really nice woven throw blanket, and it's very cozy and comfy for the winter. So that's going to be a prize as well. So you have 3 chances to win, and like I said, you can comment on videos all in the month of December. So December 22nd will be my last video of the year, and so that will be your last chance to comment and enter the giveaway. And then I'll be announcing it probably the first week in January, basically just the very first video that I put out of the new year, as well as on my community tab. So if you have any questions, again, leave them down below for me. I'm more than happy to answer them. And as far as what's coming up this month for my channel, I have a nice little lineup for you guys. I have my Christmas home tour coming next video. And then after that, I'll have a calming Christmas clean with me. So that one's gonna be super relaxing. Then we're gonna head into the Christmas whole house clean with me. So I'm really excited about the month of December. Not only am I excited about all of the Christmas content and cleaning content and just kind of finishing off another year, but I'm also really excited about this giveaway, and I hope a lot of you guys enter the giveaway, and I hope you stick with me through the whole month of December, because I would love to get to know you. If you're new here, I would love to get to know you better through the comments and our interactions down there on my channel. And if you've been around for a while, thank you so much for joining the giveaway. I absolutely wish everyone the best of luck, and thank you to every single person that participates. I really appreciate it so much, and I appreciate the opportunity to get to know you a little bit better. And here I'm just vacuuming this second area rug with the Mooso, and once I finish that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the vacuum in a little bit more detail, give you a few more little close-up shots so you can kind of see what it looks like. And you guys, this is a feature I absolutely love, that you can just stand it upright. My cordless vacuum cleaner would not do that, and it used to fall sometimes and like scare the daylights out of me. So I am so grateful that this thing balances and stands up by itself. So here's what it picked up in total from the 2 different area rugs and from the wood floors. So it did a pretty good job. I definitely can see a lot of like sketchy stuff in there. So, and then this is what it looks like underneath with my disgusting postpartum hair loss. That's what you're seeing in there. So, but that's basically what the vacuum cleaner looks like. And there you go. It's really cool, and I really like it.
But as long as you're around.
All right, guys, I think that's it for me tonight, and I'm so glad that the house is clean and calm, and that I'll be able to wake up to a clean and calm house in the morning. I want to thank you so much for spending some time with me tonight. So grateful that you chose to give up a few minutes to hang out with me. Make sure you're entered for the giveaway, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.
In a cabin out